Hello everybody, I am Sanghamitra G. Mukherjee. Welcome to my channel Hriday Astral Reflection. In this video today, I am going to teach you how to read a horoscope. It's a very basic astrology video for the beginners. Hope you find it useful. And in case you like my video, don't forget to push the like button, subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get updated with my latest upcoming videos. And in case you require your birth chart consultation or your horoscope consultation, you can message me on my Facebook page or on my Instagram account. The links are given in the description section below. So let's start with how to read a horoscope. Now, as we can see, this is a North Indian styled birth chart. There are other types of birth chart also available throughout India. It actually varies from region to region. For example, we have a South Indian style horoscope, we have Bengali style horoscope. Those are different types of horoscopes and they have different patterns and they have different significance. But over here, this is a North Indian birth chart and I'll be teaching astrological classes based on these North Indian birth charts only because I'm well versed in it. As you can see, in the square box we have these diamond shaped boxes and triangle shaped boxes. These are nothing but these are called houses or bhavas. There are 12 bhavas in a birth chart. First bhav, second bhav, third bhav, fourth bhav, fifth bhav, sixth bhav, seventh bhav, eighth bhav, ninth bhav, 10th bhav, 11th bhav and 12th bhav. The entire birth chart is divided into 12 sections or 12 houses or bhava as it is called in Sanskrit or Hindi. Now don't go by these numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. These are actually sign numbers, the zodiac sign numbers. Fifth sign is the sign of Leo, sixth sign is the sign of Virgo, which I'm going to discuss in details in my later classes. Now for the time being, just take this as 12 houses of the birth chart. Now each house has specifications. One house is totally different from the other house. No two houses are the same. And these 12 houses or 12 bhavas represents the 12 sections of our entire life cycle. For example, the first house is also called the Lagna or the ascendant. What is Lagna? Lagna represents our outer self, our personality, our way of acting on a certain issue, our life path, our life circle, how we are shaped, what are we made of. This is all about us, our health, our vitality, our progress in life. Everything has to do with the ascendant, the first house or the Lagna. Like the second house is the house of our natal family, the immediate family we are born into. Our immediate close family members like our mother, father, brother and sister, very close relatives. Second house also represents our speech, our accumulated wealth and resources, our financial stability and our appetite, what food we like, what we don't. It's all about the financial stability, wealth and natal family of a person. Like that, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th. All these 12 houses have different specifications, have different significance, which I'll be discussing as we gradually progress in my videos, in my upcoming classes. Now, what is zodiac? How do we make a birth chart? Zodiac, or as it is known as Bhachakra in Sanskrit or Hindi, is the circular space which covers 360 degrees surrounding the earth. All the 9 planets, the 12 zodiac signs to 27 nakshatras, they are in constant motion in the space. These 9 planets and 27 nakshatra, they travel through these 12 zodiac signs serially, like from Aries to Taurus, then to Gemini, then to Cancer, then Leo, and so on. The moment when we are born, the birth chart is born with us. For example, when we are born, when an individual is born, and right at that time Saturn in the space was transiting the sign of Libra at 23 degrees, then in the birth chart of that individual, Saturn will be placed in the sign of Libra at 23 degrees. So in this manner, in this fashion, the planets and nakshatras are placed in the individual birth chart. There are also books available which I'll be covering. I'll be covering how to form the horoscope of an individual very shortly in my upcoming videos. I'll be discussing about these issues in details in those videos. So right now I'll be discussing about zodiac. Zodiac, or as we call it as Bhachakra, is the 360 degree circular space which covers the earth. As we can see in this birth chart too, each house covers a space of 30 degrees. 30 over here, 30 degrees over here. Each house in the same manner covers a space of 30 degree, each of them. And altogether 12 into 30, it forms a 360 degree angle. This is a complete life cycle of the individual. In my upcoming classes, I'll be discussing the 12 types of zodiac signs, the 12 type of houses in details, their significance, and also how to make a birth chart from various tools. I hope you liked my video, and stay tuned to my upcoming videos too. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you.